Hi, planner friends, and thank you for joining me on this half-week spread that I am doing. I am using the Rainbow Dreams sticker book by Happy Planner, which I got on clearance, so of course I got sucked into it. I normally am not a huge fan of having so many different colors all mashed up together because it kind of doesn't draw your eye to one specific thing. It just kind of draws it to like everything. And as I started writing and planning it, I noticed that quite a bit, that it kind of just drove me insane. And I would go to my planner and I would write something down, and then I would say, okay, hold on a second, what else did I need to put down in here? Because I started looking at how pretty everything is and all the colors, and it was just distracting. So I'm probably not going to be using this book too much in the future, but we'll see, because there's still 1.5 million stickers left. So I'm going to try and make it work. Maybe use it in a different planner. I don't know. We'll see. This is my main one, my catch-all planner. So I kind of write everything in here. So the reason why this is a rainbow theme, first of all, is because on the 3rd, it's National Find a Rainbow Day. So that's why I'm using the sticker book. And the reason why it's a half spread is because that's how I printed out my planner. The last 3 days of March are on the Monday through Wednesday side of the page. And then I have my monthly April calendar, and then you flip over and here is the first days of April. So there we go. So I ended up pulling out my favorite Daiso glittery jelly roll pens, and I decided that I'm going to use all of the different colors because, well, it's a rainbow. So I went through and I used one of every single one, and yeah, it totally ended up driving me insane later on. But that's okay. This week, or it's only a half week, so it's almost over. And I know I'm filming, or I filmed it and then I didn't upload this video. So I know I'm pretty late on that. So you're going to see a couple of different videos for this week, or actually like 3 or so. I'll post it in the same week. And that's just because I've had stuff to do. So the way that I lined this page is I did my 2.5-inch boxes at the top and the bottom. And then in the middle, you'll see that there's a smaller box. And I ended up splitting that one in half so I can get all of the colors in there. And I used the top and the bottom as kind of my to-dos for the week or for the day. And then the middle one, I used it as kind of like the highlight point of, something exciting that happened to me in the day or whatnot. Like, for example, on one of them, I wrote that I did my new manicure that day, which was on Thursday. And then on another day, I had sushi with my mom and my grandma. So I wrote that. That was the highlight of my day on Friday. So yeah, I know it's a little bit weird and it drives me a little bit crazy, but luckily this half week is almost over. So lesson learned, I probably won't be doing this type of layout, as far as splitting up the boxes in the future. I don't know. We'll see. I tried using as many stickers as I could without making this overly crowded. And I found a couple of cute ones, like the one that you see me putting down here is just a little stripe of a rainbow. And then I found a to-do and an important sticker. So I like those. And also one of the stickers, there was like a big sheet towards the back of this book and I just had a ton of words. And I found a "You Got This" sticker. And I ended up putting that on the little box on the bottom. And it just kind of gave it a little bit more of a dimension and made it a little bit cuter. Overall, I'm not super happy with this spread, at least once I started writing in it, because it did get very overwhelming with all the different colors on the page. But I think it turned out pretty cute. As long as I don't have to write in it, I would probably try doing something with rainbows again in the future. We'll see. I hope you like this video, you guys. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next video.